Introducing our sight words. Do. Do. Do you want a taco? D. Ooh. Brain bit, the O makes an ooh sound. Do. D-O. Do. Count how many times you see the word do. Did you find 9?
Yay!
We're not done yet. Or. Would you like a burger or a hot dog? Or. O-R. Or. Count how many times you see the word or. Did you find 8?
Yay!
What do you like to do after it snows? Do you like to skate or sled? Do you like to fish or snowmobile? Do you like to make hot chocolate or throw snowballs? Or do you like to shovel or ski?
Grab a marker or something to write with.
Write, erase, and write do 3 times. Write, erase, and write or 3 times. Fantastic!
Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.